Alright guys and girls, yeah buddy, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright guys, this is part 2. Yeah, you know what it is. This is this 2014 Volkswagen Beetle, cranks no start. We went through a few things, we found out, matter of fact, I'm going to explain to that in a minute. Let's just end this opening. Coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, you remember it. They did the oil change, they put in bulk 5W30 bulk oil. Completely messed it up. We really believe that because of that cheap oil in here has caused this chain to jump. Maybe. We're going to do the oil change and hopefully everything will get back into line, the tensioner will work and everything will line up. Now, the customer also got a brand new battery. They gave her a brand new battery. You remember that battery thing? So what we're going to do is also, we're going to be testing that battery with the Autel AL539, yeah buddy B. Alright, we drained the oil already. This thing came out like water. Put the plug back in. We got a brand new filter. That's the part I'm going to show you guys. We want to see if the filter in here, does it look like to us that it's been changed. And we got full synthetic European formula 5W40 motor oil. That's what you got to be using in these cars. Use anything else, you just sign that car's death warrant. Alright, so we got that. What we're going to do, this take 5.8 quarts, right, Sivvy?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that guy. Ooh, look at that. Mag 1. You guys, I gotta write that down. Yeah, buddy. So, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna put the oil in here, and then we're gonna take this out and we're gonna look at that together. Alright? We'll be right back. Alright guys, we got all the oil in. Now let's look at this together. We got a 32mm socket here. And, okay, let's get what I'm going to do here. Let's get some rag and put it around here just in case it starts spilling everywhere. Hopefully not. Huh, they might have changed it because this is supposed to be tied up over somewhere else. So this is not hooked up to where it's supposed to be. Oh, down here. So that's no. They're gonna mess that up. Get that over there. Let's find out. Because if an oil filter is clogged, it will definitely stop oil pressure getting to that tensioner. All right. Here we go. Maybe I should get some gloves. Let me go get some gloves, guys. I don't want to stop, man. Dang it. Okay. Let's see if we got any. Wait, man, what is that? No, that's nothing. I don't know. What do you think?
It don't look clean.
I mean, it's gonna look dirty, but not. I don't know, guys. Just look. That's kind of solid there, man. That's like. Let's look at. Tell you what. Let's look at the one we got. Let's look at a Federated, which is a good brand. Heck no. Now you figure this is Federated. It's got this little thing right there. So the other one would have it. This is more of a paper material than that. That is definitely an original right there. That has not been changed. All right. So now that we did that, let's matter of fact, I don't know if you guys can see it, but you see it comes with an O-ring. The oil filter comes with an O-ring. If you look at this O-ring, that O-ring still got a flat edge to it. In fact, I bet you I can take it off. Let me take it off and we can see it better. All right. Can you see it like a flatness to it? Like, see how this one is oval. Can't really tell.
No, I can't.
You guys here, this thing has got a. You can tell. You can look at it. You can tell. This one's like a flat surface.
Okay, we take your word for it.
No, man, I had to see this. This thing got like a flat surface compared to the oval shape of this one that has not been taken off. But we're gonna. So he said, we take your word for it.
Yeah.
So let's get this on there. Let's get our new.
We trust him.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna get this one on. Make sure we got nothing else in here. A sticker. Alright, so let's get this new. Make sure you put this in the right groove. Oh, we'll be doing this again. Put it on there. Put our filter on. Let's get this in, and we'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, here's the new battery that the customer got. Now I'm going to show you something that's funny. Now, they're supposed to rotate their batteries, right? So this is April of 2020. This battery's got a date of August 2019. Yeah, buddy, we in trouble. So what we're going to do, first we're going to set the battery up in here. I don't know what's wrong with people, man. Why do they do that? Why can't they just rotate their stock?
Well, does Advance do that?
Good question. I know O'Reilly does.
Maybe
So you
Advance
figured.
don't.
All right, guys. So we got our Autel here. Remember what happened last time? So let's hook it up.
Listen, the lesson in this video is don't get a battery from Advance.
That's messed up, because that's the lesson. All right, and if it's been sitting on a, oh man. All right, I don't know. Can you see it?
Yeah, but your thing's in my way. Get it right.
How's that?
Better.
All right, Garrett, guys, let's go down here to battery test. Battery's testing at 1239, 1241. Okay, regular. Cold cranking amps rated at 650, but we're gonna put it at 660. Hit OK. Good battery.
Wait a minute. What the heck? What was that? It just got blurry on me. Stand that up a little bit. Hate it. Sun.
Here, let me effect.
I can't see.
Still glaring.
No, it's not that. It's me can't see. Okay.
All right, so it's showing good, guys.
651.
651.
Okay.
Okay, so we're good. Surprised me. All right, so I'm gonna put these terminals on. We're gonna tighten them up, and we'll be right back to try to crank this over and start it just for a few times. We ain't gonna do too many times, just for a few times to see if that tension will activate. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, got it hooked up. Let's try it. Not at all, guys. We're gonna be doing this change. we are going to be doing the timing chain. Dang it. All right, we'll be right back.
All right, so this is part 2 on this 2014 Beetle, and make sure to stay tuned to part 3 on this where we do where we're going to start doing the timing chain. So in the meantime, if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astroautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astro Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.